Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, give a like and comment on my video. Today's topic is two-part verbs. In this video, we will learn about two-part verbs. We can call them phrasal verbs also. So let me tell you the meaning of two-part verbs. Two-part verbs are made up of verb and a particle. The particle either can be preposition or it can be adverb. So if we want to make a two-part verb, for that we need a verb and a particle that can be preposition or adverb. So let us take some examples. Suppose we have a verb take. So we want to make it two-part verb. For that we need a particle. So we have taken a preposition in. So now we have made a two-part verb, that is taken. And the meaning of taken is to give shelter. So how can we use this two-part verb in a sentence? I took in a street dog last week. It means I gave shelter to a street dog last week. Let's take another example. Now we have a verb bring. And we have taken a particle, that is an adverb, back. So now we have a two-part verb, bring back. And the meaning of bring back is reintroduce something. How can we use this two-part verb in a sentence? For example, he is planning to bring back disco music. It means he is planning to reintroduce disco music. Let's take another example. Now we have a verb put. And we need a particle to make it two-part verb. That is a preposition on. So now two-part verb is ready, that is put on. And the meaning of put on is to wear. For example, I put on my shoes when I go for morning walk. It means I wear my shoes when I go for morning walk. Another example is there. We have a verb find. And we need a particle to make it two-part verb. So we have taken an adverb out. So two-part verb is ready now. Find out. The meaning is to discover something. Discover an information. For example, did you find out the last date for submitting form? It means did you discover the last date of submitting form? Okay, let's take another example. We have a verb fill. We have taken a particle, that is adverb up. So two-part verb is ready, fill up, meaning to fill something. For example, I was filling my glass up with milk. It means I was filling my glass up with milk. Another example is we have a verb give. And particle is an adverb, that is back. Two-part verb is ready now, give back. It means to return something. How can we use this two-part verb in a sentence? For example, I hope Ram will give my books back soon. It means I hope Ram will return my books soon. Another example is there. We have a verb pick. And we have taken a particle to make it two-part verb, that is an adverb up. Now two-part verb is ready, pick up. It means to collect somebody. For example, my dad often picks me up after school. It means my dad collects me up after school. Another example is there. We have a verb set. And we have taken a particle adverb up. So two-part verb is ready, set up. And the meaning of set up is to arrange something. To arrange something. How can we use this two-part verb in a sentence? The showroom was set up for Diwali. It means the showroom was arranged for Diwali. So like this, we can use these two-part verbs in our sentence. Let's take one more example. We have a verb shut and we have taken a particle adverb down. So two-part verb is ready, shut down, and the meaning is to close. How can we use this verb in a sentence? The shop is very old, so my uncle is planning to shut it down. It means the shop is not in good condition. That's why my uncle is planning to close it. It is enough for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like, please.